Hello, in this tutorial we'll learn how to set up Querly to automatically review our code. So let's get started in our repository. We have some code that might cause problems for our project. So let's create a new rule in Querly to automatically review it for us. Let's go into Cider and click on Settings and switch on Querly. Then go back to our repository and create a configuration file. You can find helpful details on the Querly GitHub repository. We'll copy querly.yaml and paste it into the file name. For our rule, we'll use the template on the Querly repository and paste it in and modify it for our new rule. The ID could be anything you like, but we recommend naming it something related to the project and rule. For the message, let's use parts from the review and edit it to fit our standard message that will appear when there's match. And let's also copy the link to the original review for our message. For our pattern, the low dash represents any Ruby expression, and we'll match it with a series of patterns. Make sure the YAML file is correctly formatted. Once that's all done, we can commit new file. It might take some time to refresh, or you can hit retry and analyze. You'll notice that this time Querly will be included in the analysis. Once the analysis is complete, we can see that Querly found issues related to the rule we created. So it works. If you'd like to learn more, please go to help.cider.review. Thank you for watching.